Hi everyone, this is the 143rd video of the ACT Math Practice Problem series, and here we have an interesting problem from the concept of absolute value equation. As I always recommend, before seeing the solution you can pause the video and give it a try yourself, and after that of course you want to match with my solution. So let's get started. Here the question says the solution set of the equation x squared plus modulus of x minus 6 equals 0 is which of the following 5 sets? So essentially here we have to find the solution set for this equation. Now the equation looks like a mixed kind of equation, right? So let's first note it down. So the given equation is like this. And now you see we have a modulus x, but for the x squared we don't have the modulus sign. So this looks like a mixed kind of equation, but one important property of absolute value function that we know is that modulus of x squared is same as just x squared. I have already created separate video on absolute value function. I have provided the link in the description. Feel free to watch them. So using this property, can we write it like this? This can be written as modulus of x whole squared plus modulus of x minus 6 is equal to 0. So now this equation is looking like an absolute value equation, right? So now what we need to do, let's replace modulus of x by p. Let's assume that modulus of x is equal to p. So we are just simply make an assumption. Let's say in this particular problem modulus of x is equal to p. Well, if we do that, then how is the equation going to look like? Well, this will look like p squared plus p minus 6 is equal to 0. And if we factor the left hand side, what are we going to get? Well, we can do it like this. It would be p squared plus 3 times p minus 2 times p minus 6 is equal to 0. And then from here, we're going to have, if we take p as a common factor, then it would be p plus 3. And negative 2 as a common factor, again we are going to be left with p plus 3. All of that is equal to 0, and from here we can clearly see that p plus 3 times p minus 2 is equal to 0, and from here clearly we can say that p is equal to negative 3 or positive 2, right? So those are the two values of p that we have obtained so far. Now what is p? Well, p is actually modulus of x, so we can say then modulus of x is equal to negative 3 or positive 2. So I am writing it again like this, modulus of x is equal to positive 2, right? So now think about it. Modulus of a number, meaning the absolute value of a number x is equal to negative 3, can that ever happen? Actually, it can never happen for any real value of x, because absolute value function always gives us a positive number, and here we are seeing a negative number right here, and that is not a good thing. So we have to discard this particular solution, that modulus of x is equal to negative 3. That's not a valid solution. We have to discard that. So we are going to discard that, and then we are going to be left with modulus of x equals positive 2, and that is a good solution looks like, because absolute value of a number x is equal to positive 2, and that is very much possible. So this is a good one. So now if we proceed with just this one solution, so modulus of x is equal to positive 2, and from here we can say, well, then definitely x is equal to plus or minus 2. And that is our answer. And if we look at our answer options, we have positive 2 and negative 2 in the solution set under option D. So option D would be the correct option. I hope everything made sense. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.